Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has categorized QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.46. Now let us examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 0.89%. This results in an average return of 0.1% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a weak upward trend in the short term, suggesting that further movement upward is likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.22% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 4.48% to 12.72%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of around 25.20% over the next year, with potential returns between 17.03% and 30.15%. This corresponds to a price range between $581.12 and $646.29 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price down 2.38% on Friday. The QQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 2.38% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, dropping from $508.69 to $496.57. This marks a continuous decline over 5 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 1.78%, ranging from a low of $494.50 to a high of $503.31. Although the price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 1.88% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 22 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 49 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $24.12 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $515.58, while the lowest price was $382.66. Currently, the price stands 3.69%, or $19.01, below the 52-week high of $515.58, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the QQQ exchange-traded fund suggest a complex landscape for investors. Following a hawkish stance from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, there has been a notable market decline, but analysts indicate that the downside for QQQ may be limited. This points to a potential resilience in the technology sector, which is heavily represented in QQQ. Investor interest in U.S. stocks has surged to a decade high, spurred by recent election results, suggesting a renewed confidence in the equity markets. Within this context, QQQ, which tracks the Nasdaq 100 index, is likely to benefit from this upward momentum, driven by strong performances from key tech stocks. In addition, the popularity of options-based exchange-traded funds is on the rise, providing investors with tools to mitigate interest rate volatility while still participating in market gains. This trend could enhance QQQ's appeal, particularly for those looking to manage risk. Moreover, There is a buoyant long-term outlook for artificial intelligence investments, which continue to be a focal point for tech companies as they navigate 2025 spending plans. The growing emphasis on artificial intelligence could further bolster the performance of QQQ, as tech stocks often lead the market in innovation and growth. Investors should stay alert as these dynamics unfold. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $510.28. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $494.92. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were also issued, which may influence near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, November 8, 2024, and thus far it has decreased by 3.42%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. It is recommended to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Band analysis showed a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 249 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $481.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically trades at a solid volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the ETF moved $8.81, representing a change of 1.78% between its high and low. For the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.12%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future performance or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $505.58. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $481.27. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $476.68, representing a decrease of 4.01%. This exchange-traded fund experiences low daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has been indicated by a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment option? While the QQQ ETF displays several positive indicators, these are not sufficient to classify it as a strong buy at this time. Currently, it is more suitable to view it as a hold or accumulate position while we observe further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 18th of November, we anticipate that QQQ will open at an increase of $1.56, starting trading at $498.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.